I'm diving into the tricky waters of being too nice and how it might be hurting my relationships, all while trying to apply some Taoist wisdom along the way. Being too nice can be a major relationship killer. We've all been there, trying to please everyone around us, afraid to say no or assert ourselves, but why does it always seem to backfire? It's time to explore the darker side of being too nice and how it might be secretly sabotaging our relationships. When we're excessively nice, we often lack clear boundaries. We say yes to everything, even when we mean no. We take on more and more until we're running on empty and resentment starts to build. We start to feel like we're being taken advantage of, and before we know it, we're stuck in a cycle of anger, frustration, and hurt feelings. But that's not all. Being too nice can also make us appear weak or spineless to others. People may start to doubt our decision-making abilities or question our values. And to make matters worse, our relationships begin to suffer because we're not being our authentic selves. We're not being true to who we are, we're just trying to fit in or gain approval from others. And when we're not authentic, we can't form deep, meaningful connections with others. We start to feel like we're living a lie, and that's when the feelings of resentment and frustration really kick in. But here's the thing. Being nice isn't inherently bad. It's just that we've taken it too far, and it's time to find a better balance. The ancient wisdom of Taoism offers a refreshing perspective on how to maintain healthy relationships. According to Taoist principles, balance is key. We need to find harmony between being kind and compassionate while also being honest and authentic. It's about embracing our true nature rather than trying to fit into someone else's mold. Taoism teaches us that self-care is essential in maintaining healthy relationships. We need to take care of ourselves first before we can truly care for others. By embracing our true selves, we're able to form deeper, more meaningful connections with others. We're not trying to manipulate or control others. We're just being our authentic selves. And when we do that, amazing things start to happen. People are drawn to our authenticity, and our relationships become more genuine and fulfilling. Taoism also reminds us that we're not responsible for others' happiness or emotions. We're only responsible for our own. This is a crucial insight, because when we take on the burden of others' emotions, we start to lose ourselves in the process. We start to people-please, and that's when our relationships start to suffer. But when we take care of ourselves and focus on our own emotions, we're able to show up more fully in our relationships. We're able to be present and fully engage with others without the need to control or manipulate. So what's the key takeaway here? Being too nice can be damaging to our relationships, but Taoist principles offer a solution. By embracing our true selves, taking care of ourselves, and finding balance in our relationships, we can form deeper, more meaningful connections with others. Let's take a step back and reevaluate how we're showing up in our relationships. Are we being our authentic selves, or are we trying to fit into someone else's mold? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you've ever struggled with being too nice or people-pleasing, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on personal growth and relationships. I'll see you in the next video.